In today's video, we get rapid insight and summarize a heavy data just within 2 minutes without any efforts. First of all, I would like to convert my data into a table format by pressing Ctrl+T. It has a huge benefit I will show you later in the video. If you are obsessed with the table format like me, don't worry, we will get rid of this in a minute, just follow along. After get rid of table format, I would also like to give my table name so that I can recognize it later on. Now go to insert and click on pivot table. Here I type my table name which I created earlier and press OK. Pivot table field will appear. Here we have table headers on the left side and pivot table option on the right side, which are columns, rows and values. I would like to put names in pivot table rows, city name in the column, sales in the value. Boom, it's done. Here you can see total sales of individual for each city, also subtotal for cities and salesmen with the grand total. Now what if I added new entry in the data? For example, here I am entering Mark as a new salesman. Right click anywhere in the pivot table and click on refresh. The new entry will appear automatically. Same goes for city. Here I enter new state Alaska and refresh the pivot table. You can see a new column Alaska appears. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to stay updated on more content like this.